Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'll be talking about PYE ready-mix tile adhesive. For your information, most of the tile adhesive available in the market are in pre-mix format. So you need to add in water plus a little bit of experience to get that perfect solid blend. With this product, it is definitely a good news for those in DIY or looking for a one-off fixing. Let me introduce again. PYE tile adhesive is a ready-to-use thin bed adhesive for fixing ceramic tiles on most surfaces, including gypsum, plasterboard, wood, asbestos, and many others. It can also be used for bonding insulation material, for example, foam polystyrene, glass, or mineral wool. So, are you interested to find out what is inside this little tub? This is a plastic spatula. Light grey in color, mastic foam. PYE ready-mix tile adhesive is available in 0.5 kg, 1.5 kg, 5 kg, and 25 kg. The surface to be tiled must be flat, sound, and free from dust, grease, or other foreign material. For mixing, PYE tile adhesive is supplied ready to use and no prior mixing is required. The thin bed adhesive should not be greater than 3 mm, and you are advised to apply the ceramic tiles within 20 minutes. It is also recommended to use a notch trowel. Why? Because well-formed ribs are essential for good adhesion. Another piece of advice, never fix the ceramic tiles with tight joints. Excessive adhesive can be removed immediately with water after application. Grouting can be done when tiles are firmly set. Whoa! Firmly attached, easy to apply, and you don't even have to dirty your hands. Trust me, don't need to hire any professional already lah. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bye bye for now.